Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed sources of lipids, and today we are going to study another very important topic, which is uses of lipids. So, let's discuss in detail uses of lipid. Uses of lipids. Lipids are very important for both living organisms and industrial purposes. So let's discuss uses one by one. First one, source of energy. Lipids are the major energy storage molecules of the body. They provide 9 kilocalories of energy per gram, which is more than carbohydrates and protein 4 kilocalories per gram. During fasting or starvation, stored fats are broken down to produce energy. Second one, energy storage. Excess energy in the body is stored as fat and adipose tissue. The stored fat is used when the body needs extra energy. Third one, protection of organs. Lipids form a protective layer around important organs like heart, kidneys, liver. They act as a shock absorber. Fourth one, insulation. Lipids help maintain body temperature. They reduce heart they reduce heat loss in cold environments. Fifth one, formation of cell membrane. Phospholipids form the basic structure of cell membranes. They maintain cell shape and control entry and exit of substances. Sixth one, absorption of vitamins. Lipids help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Without fats, these vitamins cannot be absorbed properly. Seventh, hormone production. Some lipids, mainly like steroids, help in the production of hormones. Example, cholesterol is used to produce steroid hormones. And eighth one is industrial uses like soap making, cosmetics, candle manufacturing, food industry, like in ghee, more greens, cooking oils. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on uses of lipids. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.